Welcome back. Today, we have an exciting unboxing video for you. We'll be unpacking the Lenovo L27i-30 monitor, a sleek and high-performance display for all your computing needs. Inside the box, we find the Lenovo L27i-30 monitor securely packaged. Let's take it out and see what's included. Here it is, the Lenovo L27i-30 monitor. Look at that slim profile and minimal bezels. It's certainly an attractive addition to any desk setup. Here are the different ports available. It has an audio port for headphones, VGA port, a HDMI port, and of course the power adapter plug-in. First, we have a power adapter. This will ensure that your monitor receives the necessary power to function. Next, we have an HDMI cable. This will come in handy for connecting your monitor to various devices. The stand of the Lenovo L27i-30 monitor is not only functional but also adds to the overall aesthetic appeal of the device. It features a sleek and minimalist design that complements the monitor's slim profile. The stand provides stable support and allows for easy adjustment of the viewing angle. Whether you prefer tilting the monitor forward or backward, the stand offers flexibility to cater to your ergonomic needs. And lastly, we have the user manual and warranty information. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with the product specifications and warranty details. And now let's turn the monitor on and see how it performs. The Lenovo L27i-30 boasts a 27-inch Full HD display, providing crisp and vibrant visuals. The IPS panel ensures excellent color accuracy and wide viewing angles, making it suitable for work, entertainment, and gaming. And that's it for our unboxing of the Lenovo L27i-30 monitor. With its sleek design, satisfactory display quality, and versatile connectivity options, this monitor is sure to enhance your productivity and entertainment.